Welcome everyone. Today I'm excited to be showcasing a demo for Patentify. The team members for this term included Capstone 2 members Simorjit Chabra, Carlos Cordero, Manuel Garcia, and Eric Tu. Working alongside were Capstone 1 members Jordi Araujo, Catalina Kaiser, Jose Carlos Luzbel, Samuel Muvdi, Freddie Samoriba, and Luis Gil. The product owners included Dr. Mark Finlayson, Tissa Islam Irana, and under instructor Dr. Masood Sadhadi. Here's Patentify, an AI-assisted patent labeling application created with the goal of facilitating USPTO patent annotating. The development stack used to implement this application includes using React.js for its front end, as well as Python for its AI implementation, and MongoDB for its database. To start, you would basically just go up here to the sign up page, click sign up. I would enter my credentials. So my name is Carlos Cordero. Then I'd enter my email. I'd put carlos@edu and my password 123. So I signed up. Now I just need to log in. So it would be carlos@fiu.edu 23. All right, once logged in, you'll be taken to the patents page. Here, patents are presented from the USPTO API, showing the patent ID, as well as allowing the user to navigate through each page of each patent. On the right side of the patent viewer are different categories each patent can be annotated under. Here, the user can either submit their annotations to the database or skip to another patent. So, for example, if I wanted to label this one as an AI hardware patent, I would just click yes and submit. And that will send that to the database with the new annotation. You can also click the skip button if you want to skip on to the next patent. And can also search patents now using the search bar. So let's say I get this one and I skip it. I could just enter the patent ID here, click submit, and it takes me exactly to that same patent. Next to the categories, you can also see that there, if you hover on the question mark, it'll show the user a tooltip. Here, you can have a brief description of each category, so you can be as specific as possible. In addition to being able to access as a regular user, it can also be accessed as an admin. In order to do that, you would be using the admin@test.com credential alongside the 123 password. Just like a regular user, you can still go to the patents page where you can still annotate, as well as now with an admin account, you can access the dashboard where you'll be able to see the annotator activity as well as the number of patents annotated by in each category. On the labels tab, the admin can see information regarding to any annotations. So for example, here you'll see that you can see several patents. So depending if you want to know who annotated the one ending in 876, you would just click the drop down, click again, and you would see any annotations done by any user. So here in this case, there was 3 annotations done by these 3 users, and all of them annotated it as an AI hardware patent. All right, to demonstrate this, I'll be showing from the left-hand side, it'll be the admin account, and on the right-hand side, I'll be logging into my regular user account. So ccord@fiu.edu and my password. Once signed in, just like any other regular user, it takes me to the patent page, and it takes me to this patent. So we can go into the admin dashboard and search for this patent, and there's no records to display. So now I can go to choose any of these categories. I'll choose, for instance, this is an example. We'll choose speech patent and submit it to the database. All right, now we're gonna refresh on the admin account, search for that same patent, and now it shows that there's a result. And if you see, it says user ending in EFE. So we can go to the users page here, the database, and it shows EFE Carlos A. Cordero. So it's shown, and it also tells the admin that Carlos Cordero annotated it as a speech patent. The admin can also view the active queues by user. So let's say this user ending in 772, you want to see what queues they have, you would just simply click on it, and it will show you their unique queue ID, as well as all the queues, all the patents assigned to them in their queue. Admins can also see all the users in the database, so they'll be able to see their unique ID, as well as their name and their email. Thank you.